Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to export code from Google AI Studio. Start by opening Google AI Studio in your browser and make sure you are signed in. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, select the Build section. This is where all your apps and projects are stored. When the Build section opens, you will see a list of your apps. Choose the app or project whose code you want to export. Click on it to open it. After the project loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find a download button. Tap the download button. Google AI Studio will prepare your project and download all the files to your computer. These files may include HTML, JavaScript, CSS, or other supporting files depending on the type of app you built. Once the files are downloaded, go to your computer's download folder and locate the project folder or zip file. If it is a zip file, extract it so you can see all the contents. Now you can open the project in any code editor. Thanks for watching.